Hi everyone, welcome to Turkish lessons. My name is Yasin Rak. Today I would like to talk about the likes and dislikes. In Turkish for this title we say here sevdiğin ve sevmediğin şeyler. Well, we use here şeyler which means, things. Alright, we just complete like this in Turkish. Let me repeat one more time. Sevdiğin ve sevmediğin şeyler. Sevmediğin means likes, dislikes, and likes, sevdiğin. Okay. All right, now let's see the dialogues here. I prepared 3 dialogues for you. I hope it's going to be helpful for you. And as long as you practice these dialogues, it's going to be very practical and, easy to learn them. That's what I can suggest to you if you would like to take. All right, let's start with the first dialogue. Here, what do you like? In Turkish we say, sevdiğin şeyler nedir? Sevdiğin şeyler nedir? Or you can say, neyi seversin? Neyi seversin? Neyi seversin? Well, actually, the first one is better, actually. Sevdiğin şeyler nedir? If you want literal translation, that's in English, what are the things that you like? Or what are the things you like? Okay. Sevdiğin şeyler nedir? Neyi seversin? Either is fine, actually. Well, you can start like this. Seyahat etmeyi, traveling. Seyahat etmeyi, yüzmeyi, swimming. Okumayı, reading, okumayı. Ve yemek pişirmeyi seviyorum. And cooking meals, or cooking, you can say. Actually, yemek means cooking meals, yes. Yemek pişirmeyi seviyorum. The word that you need to use and you need to take here is seviyorum. Okay, that's how we use. Before that, you can put everything what you like and what are your hobbies. Then the last word should be seviyorum. All right, let's repeat. Let's go on to your next dialogue. Do you know what I like? Neleri sevdiğimi biliyor musun? Neleri sevdiğimi biliyor musun? Well, actually, you know what? Exactly, neleri means what's, plural form of what. Okay, neleri sevdiğimi biliyor musun? Neleri sevdiğimi biliyor musun? Look, I'm repeating for you, okay? That I believe that's gonna be very good for you. That's why I'm repeating a couple times. Hayır, bilmiyorum. Fakat duymak isterim. Bana anlatsana. No, I don't know, but I would like to hear about it. Or you can say, I want to hear about it. Tell me about it. Here is, bana anlatsana. Okay, so here, answer is tırmanmayı, climbing, tırmanmayı, trekking. Actually, you know what? It's very interesting. Unfortunately, Turkish language accepts almost any suitable words that we don't need to translate into Turkish, in our daily live dialogue. So when you say trekking, most people can understand what you mean, most of them. So trekking, you can say, or you can say yürüyüş yapmayı. Ve tenis oynamayı seviyorum. Look at the last word, you see? Seviyorum, which means I like. Okay. Let's repeat one more time. Neleri sevdiğimi biliyor musun? Hayır, bilmiyorum. Fakat duymak isterim. Bana anlatsana. Tırmanmayı, trekking, yürüyüş yapmayı ve tenis oynamayı seviyorum. There's one thing I need to point out. Actually, normally tracking is kind of maybe a technical word or kind of very specific word, but exact translation, I don't think that's yürüyüş, but that's how I have found actually for you. Normally, yürüyüş means walking, walking, W-A-L-K, okay, I-N-G after. Yürüyüş yapmayı seviyorum, but also it translates like this, yürüyüş, so that's why I just had to put here yürüyüş. So next dialogue is this. I don't like smoking, but I do. I don't like drinking coffee a lot. Sigara içmeyi sevmiyorum. I don't like smoking. Sigara içmeyi sevmiyorum ama içiyorum. Very interesting sentence, but this is what you may hear from Turkish people. That's why I put here these examples. Sigara içmeyi sevmiyorum ama içiyorum. Çok kahve içmeyi sevmiyorum. Çok kahve içmeyi seviyorum. Normally we don't pronounce H, in daily dialogues. We just directly say çok kahve, kahve, as if there's no H letter. Okay. Çok kahve içmeyi sevmiyorum. Fast food, well, you know what? There's another word here which we all the time used exactly as it is in Turkish. Fast food. When you say fast food, Turkish people understand this. So there's not the translation of this word. I'm sorry for this. Fast food, yeah, fast food. You can say fast food. Yemeği sevmiyorum ama bazen yiyorum. Fast food yemeği sevmiyorum ama bazen yiyorum. Yiyorum. Look, when you say negative, which you say I don't like, so we say sevmiyorum. Sevmiyorum. Here the same. Sevmiyorum, which means I don't like. Okay, so that's how I would like to share 3 dialogues about likes and dislikes. I hope it's been useful. Very practical 2 examples you should learn, which is I like. In Turkish we say seviyorum, and another one is if you don't like it, you say sevmiyorum. Only negative word is me. Sevmiyorum, which is I don't like. I hope it's been a really helpful lesson for you. If you guys have any questions about this lesson, please write to me. And hey, I would like to remind you one more time, for our online and face-to-face lessons will be starting soon. And I'm very excited about this. Let's wait and see. All right, thank you for your time. Bye for now.